Welcome to Sari 11 Craft and Decor. If you love inspiring ideas, innovative designs, and creative decor tips, you're in the right place. Don't forget to subscribe and join our community. Stay tuned for exciting updates, DIY projects, and inspiring content to elevate your space. And organic gardening practices to complement your seasonal garden decor. Sustainable garden decoration. Incorporating minimalist sculptural shift shelves into your decor isn't just about aesthetics. It's about creating a space that feels balanced and harmonious. The simplicity of these shelves promotes a sense of calm and order, reducing visual clutter and making your environment more peaceful. They are perfect for those who appreciate the beauty of understated design and craftsmanship. The geometric forms can be combined with other minimalist decor elements, such as neutral color palettes, sleek furniture, and natural textures, to craft a cohesive and sophisticated look. Moreover, their sculptural quality adds depth and dimension to your walls, making even small spaces feel more dynamic and engaging. Whether used as a standalone feature or part of a curated gallery wall, these shelves add a touch of refined elegance. From a functional perspective, minimalist sculptural shift shelves are designed for practicality and durability. Their sturdy construction ensures they can hold a reasonable amount of weight, making them suitable for displaying books, ceramics, or decorative objects. Installation is straightforward, often involving hidden mounting hardware that preserves the sleek aesthetic. Their minimalist design means they require minimal maintenance. Simply dust them regularly to keep their clean lines pristine. The use of high-quality materials enhances their longevity, ensuring that they remain a stylish feature in your home or office for years to come. These shelves also promote spatial efficiency, helping you maximize storage without sacrificing style. Their subtle yet striking presence makes them an ideal choice for modern living. Designers and artists are increasingly drawn to minimalist sculptural shift shelves for their ability to serve as both functional objects and artistic expressions. These pieces can be custom designed to reflect personal tastes or specific interior themes, making each installation unique. Some incorporate playful asymmetry or unexpected angles, challenging traditional notions of balance and symmetry. Others highlight craftsmanship through intricate detailing or innovative material combinations. This merging of art and utility makes sculptural shelves a compelling feature in contemporary spaces. They invite interaction and curiosity, encouraging viewers to appreciate not just their purpose but also their aesthetic form. For interior designers, these shelves offer a fresh way to experiment with spatial arrangements and artistic storytelling. Sustainability is increasingly important in modern design, and minimalist sculptural shift shelves are no exception. Many designers opt for eco-friendly materials such as reclaimed wood, recycled metal, or sustainable composites. This conscious choice aligns with a minimalist ethos, reducing excess and emphasizing quality over quantity. Additionally, their long-lasting construction means they are investments that can be enjoyed over decades, reducing the need for frequent replacements. The minimalist philosophy also promotes mindful consumption, encouraging homeowners to choose versatile pieces that can adapt to various decor styles over time. By integrating sustainable materials with sculptural form, these shelves embody a balanced approach to beauty, functionality, and environmental responsibility. At Sari 11 Craft and Decor Inspirational Hub, we believe that design should inspire and transform. Minimalist sculptural shift shelves embody this philosophy by turning functional storage into an art form. Their innovative shapes and clean aesthetic encourage creative expression and experimentation. Whether you prefer a subtle, understated look, or a bold sculptural statement, these shelves can be tailored to suit your vision. They invite you to rethink your space and discover new ways to showcase your favorite objects, while maintaining harmony and balance. Investing in such pieces not only enhances your interior decor but also elevates your appreciation for craftsmanship and artistic design. Let these shelves inspire you to embrace minimalism with a sculptural twist. Thank you so much for watching and supporting Sari 11 Craft and Decor. If you enjoyed this content, please subscribe and stay connected. Your support means the world to us. Keep following for more inspiring ideas, creative tips, and beautiful decor updates. We appreciate your presence in our community.